welcome to my channel. This is Camille, Happy Girl Believer, and we're here in Montreal, Quebec. Say
Yes,
hi.
we're here in Montreal, Chinatown.
Chinatown. Let's go. Come on.
Hi.
And we're waiting for Ate Kenstein, Melvin, and J-Lord. And then later we will go in our hotel. Okay, bye-bye. Hi guys! Ayun na si Ate Kenstein and Melvin. Where are you, Melvin?
Nasa si Melvs.
Hi, Melvs!
Welcome to Montreal.
Welcome guys to
Bonjour,
Montreal.
Montreal.
And yan, kakain na kami. Let's go! Wow!
Welcome to Montreal. Merci beaucoup.
Oy, ayun na. Mukhang ito.
Yan na yung baby girl. no?
Hello, sweet naman.
Ayun na, ang baga.
Hala!
Ay, wala na.
Ay, hindi, wait lang. Kamukha, kamukha eh. Oh, there's a bar right here. Coming to the port. Hi. Hi. Ay, ang ganda. Nakapos si mama. Wala na tubig. Tut, 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 tut.
Wala, ito lang ang ininom mo. Ayun, ayun.
Yan na naman. Ayun.
Yung birds, oh. Ayun yung birds. Ano yan? Marunong magsalita sa mga ibon. Monday na Monday, no? Anong ginagawa ng mga tao? Ba't wala ba silang mga trabaho?
Ikaw, wala ka.
Wow! Big, ano? This one. Sili pa. Wow! bubble tea. Gusto ko guys ng
Ay, slushies ang gusto ko eh.
something.
Dad.
Patulog na lang.
Wow, it's with
Yung sa dulo lang.
yeah.
So beautiful,
Ay na.
baby.
Ay na, ba't ayaw? Uy, ayun na, yay! Wala bang ganito sa Pilipinas? Meron naman.
Sa pintuan, sasaplakin na kita.
Hi guys, nandito na kami sa aming first destination, which is Pontianak. Okay, let's see. Look at that. That's the castle. Alright. Hi, ate.
Before I can reach, yeah. Seulement ici, en le même temps, le plus fort qu'on peut, on va tous ensemble crier Showtime!
Hi guys. Sobrang ito na si baby. Sleep na si baby. Yan. Nag-order kami ng chocolate sa loob. Hi! Wow! Stop over kami sa chocolate. Michael! Baby, no? Wow! Ayun na. La 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 la.
Sabi ni Papa. Lechon.
Hi guys, good morning. We're back at Montreal and we're going for breakfast. Magbe-breakfast kami sa Tim Hortons. Hi guys, breakfast kami sa Timmy's. Hi. Uy, pawis. Grabe. Why is it so hot in Canada? It's summer.
Ay.
Ayun na. Hi guys, so if you see this big balloon everywhere in Montreal, in Quebec, his name is Monsieur Rose. Ayan, nag-video na sila. Pictures. Wow, that balloon is everywhere. Even when we went to Quebec, it's everywhere. Oh, that's also Monsieur Rose again, all over Quebec and Montreal.
Rolex, oh.
Look at that. Rolex, yes, time to shopping na. I want shopping. Okay, let's go. So guys, we're just strolling in Montreal. Hi. Wow.
Labas ng ano. Yung
History. Isakto lang. Paharap dito pa, oh. Ay, nakalolo.
dito sa iba.
Napagod,
We're here in Notre Dame Basilica. Let's see. Tourist spots talaga to eh. Ayun, Notre Dame. Tan, tan. Okay. Wow. Hi guys! Okay. Nasulit ba natin ang ano? Guys, we're here. Ano kayo ano ni baby yan? So, hi guys! Say happy birthday, Gianna.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to the most wonderful baby in the world. Baby Diana forever.
Happy birthday to my
Gianna.
Happy birthday, Gianna!
Hi, Michael. Hi, Omar. Busy siya.
baby girl. Happy birthday to my baby. My princess. Mama.
Pwede naman tayo mag-
Edwin! Hi! Okay, we're ready to order.
Mashed potatoes, rice, french fries, salad, baked potato, all dressed, butter, sour cream, bacon, chives.
Yeah, you can do.
Okay, works. Got it. Perfect. I have the same thing. New York, also medium rare, with a baked potato, all dressed.
Yours?
I'm gonna order both. Yep. Can we have top sirloin?
For him?
Yeah.
8 or 12.
2 of top sirloin. Medium well.
Medium well?
Yes.
Both of them?
Yeah.
Okay. Madam? So the bacon on the fillet is okay?
Yes.
And would you rather do Béarnaise sauce or peppercorn sauce?
Bernays.
Madam?
Yeah, I'll get two for the two of us. Get New York strip loin.
2 times?
Yes, and the baked potato.
All dressed?
I'll dress.
Yeah. How do you want them cooked?
Medium.
And medium well and medium.
Medium well and medium.
Yeah.
And sir? 7 ounce. How do you want it cooked? Medium well? Medium rare. Okay.
Andyan lang
One more, one more. All of us.
your favorite.
Yes. Ay, mas malaki ang serving sa atin. Ba't ba kinakompare? Pero okay lang yan.
Huwag mo na i-compare.
Hi!
Bilisan mo mo.
Hi, Gianna. Gianna. Princess. Self-sufficient, Mel.
Ang init rin ng plato. Pare-pare.
Thank you.
Hot plate, okay, just be careful with the baby. Hot plate. Here we go.
Hot plate.
Bon appetit, everybody enjoy.
Thank you.
Does anybody need anything else right away, or
Yeah.
come back in a few seconds on my show?
Thank you. Kain ako ng gulay. So,
Si baby baka gusto ng carrots. Pinakain mo dito.
Thank you so
Thank you, Gianna.
And the parents.
Thank you to the parents and the Gianna.
Mercy, Gianna.
Mercy.
Okay, thank you, Lord.
Thank you, Lord.
Wow. Oh, thank you. Happy birthday to you, Jesus. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Gianna. Happy birthday. Can you see me? Maybe go. Yay.
Menu.
Thank you. Hi, Melvin. Thank you. The candy they give us
Baby, thank
candy.
you to baby Gianna for the food and for the party here at the kegs. It's delicious.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, na take out. Yay, price reveal. Thank you, Lord. Yay. Yay, surtis. And that concludes our Montreal, Quebec trip. We're going home. Stop over. Bush daw? Ew. Dude, look at the scenery. It's so beautiful.
Yes, the beautiful.
Hala!
I told you.
It's a seagull? It's a seagull.
Take it in.